Hey, check this out. Look what I found in this attic for this family that was seeking better home comfort. I'd been out to the house about a month earlier for an energy audit, and I found several opportunities in the attic for improvement, but I did not see this one. The irony here is that this hole down into the house is like leaving an open window 24/7, 365. As a former window contractor, this one blew my mind when I learned about it. To help you see the connection, check out this new construction house. A lot of houses are like this. The main air handler is in the basement. The main supply duct has to run up and through your house. That dedicated space is called a chase. It is 100% part of your conditioned living space. Leaving it unsealed in the attic is actually worse than having an open window, and that's based on the way pressure moves up and down inside your home. It's called the stack effect. The reason this family got the energy audit is because they had signed a contract for new windows for $33,000, and they wanted to get another opinion when the window salesperson listed bedrooms hot, water infiltration, frame separation, seal failure, sediment, foundation, improper install, undersized, and what about this one? Growth? They didn't see any growth around the windows when they looked, so they started to do some research and they figured maybe getting an energy audit would be a good fit. In the end, we all agreed that it definitely was. They decided to cancel the window contract and address their attic first. We don't have to talk specific numbers in terms of what this project costed compared to the $33,000 for the windows, but I can tell you this. When I found this huge hole, all I had to do was run down to my truck, grab some scrap foam board. I grabbed my foam gun. It probably costed all of about $10 to fix this basically open window. I can pretty much guarantee you that covering and sealing this hole is going to cut down the air leakage in this house by more than replacing all of the windows and doors. So if you're thinking about new windows to seal up your house and you've not taken a look around your attic or have had a trained professional do so, I really hope this video changes your perspective.
Stop saying no to windows.